presenting the 2015 Mazda CX-5 Touring. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4-wheel disc brakes, AC, ABS, adjustable steering wheel, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, automatic headlights, auxiliary audio input and backup camera. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.